crafters, thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and let's get to crafting and memory keeping. I wanted to jump on today to tell y'all all about an exciting collaboration that I am co-hosting with Stacy over at Crafty Dragon Creations. This is a month-long event for October. It will start the 1st and end the 31st. There will be freebies, prizes, and hopefully a whole lot of fun. This is a daily countdown to Halloween, so if easy, simple, and spooky collaborations are your vibe, this is the collaboration for you. This collaboration is hosted in both Crafty Dragon Creations and Lottie's Magic Attic Facebook groups. The link for both of those Facebook groups will be down in the description box. So let's talk a little bit about what's going to be happening in the event. To follow along with the event, you can use the hashtag October Oddities Collaboration. And today is our official launch videos. So be sure to go over and also check out Stacy's launch video, where she will tell you a little bit about how things will go in her Facebook group. But today, our kits will be available for purchase in the Ko-fi shop. Let's talk about that a little bit. This kit for the collaboration is broken up into two parts. Stacy has created the journal pages for this kit, along with coffin-shaped pockets that go along with the kit. And I have created an ephemera kit that matches Stacy's journal pages and goes along with the theme of the kit. Both of these are available now in our Ko-fi shops. Here's a brief look at what they look like. And they are already on sale, so there's no code necessary. On September 28th, we will be posting the freebies that go along with this collaboration. Stacy has created the prompts for this, and I have created some ephemera freebies to go along with the prompts. On October 1st, the event officially starts. You will find the daily prompts in both my Facebook group and Stacy's Facebook group for what the prompt of the day is. And let's talk a little bit about how the event will run. This is a daily countdown to Halloween, so think October daily but in a much simpler format, because we will be just making tags. Stacy's created coffin-shaped tags that you will use as your base to work out each of the prompts for the day. So you'll be making daily prompt tags counting down to Halloween. They're coffin-shaped, and there will be fussy cups and prompts available for free in the Facebook groups. The daily page kit and ephemera packs are available for purchase in our Ko-fi shops. Again, those links will be down in the description box. And at the end of the month, there'll be a giveaway for some free digital kits. Let's talk about the rules about how to enter into the giveaway. The participants who create all 31 days, this is very important. You have to do all 31 days with each of the word prompts. If you miss one day, unfortunately, that disqualifies you and you are not entered into the drawing. You have to post pictures of your tags in the correct corresponding threads in the Facebook groups. In Stacy's group, she will have a daily thread post for that prompt of the day that you will post in the comment section. In my group, I will have albums that will have a picture very similar to this with the daily number and the word prompt for the day, and you will post in that correct album in the comment section. This is the same way that we did Fairy Wings and Forgotten Things. I like to do it in albums versus in the regular news feed because I like people to be able to go back and use those as inspiration later and it be easy to find. So mine will be in the albums and Stacy's will be in her regular news feed thread. So to enter, to get one entry into the giveaway, you have to post all 31 days in one of our Facebook groups. Has to be all 31, has to be in one of the Facebook groups. It could be mine or it could be Stacy's. If you post in both groups all 31 days, you get 2 entries into the giveaway. You can use the hashtag October Oddities Collaboration to follow along and also share on other social medias. Projects must be posted by October 31st at midnight Central Standard Time. This is a little different than my normal Eastern Standard Time, as Stacy is in Central Standard Time, so we're going to go with her later time zone. The drawing will be November 3rd, and it'll be posted in all the Facebook groups. And above all, the goal of this collaboration is to have fun. Again, this is a daily countdown to Halloween, so think October daily style, but again, much simpler because there are no videos you have to follow. There is nothing you have to hop and get a tag or a token or anything like that. All you have to do is come to one of our Facebook groups each day to get your prompt for the day. Okay? But we did not want you not to have inspiration. So there are 14 creators that will be playing along with us, that will be creating tags on their various social medias. There will be some on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. So there will be something to find on almost any social media. But if you don't have all the social medias, you do not have to go to all of them. So it's fairly simple to follow. Just take a look at all these great collaborators to get inspiration throughout the event. Be sure to join Stacy's Facebook group and my Facebook group so you do get entered into the prizes and so you can share those beautiful tags that you'll be creating. I will also upload this October Oddities collaboration calendar in the files section of my Facebook group. It is not clickable, so you will have to go and find these collaborators. But if you followed along with Fairy Wings and Forgotten Things, most of these collaborators participated in that. There are a few new ones that you would have to find, but they're fairly simple to find, so don't worry about that. But this just lets you know if you want to go and see who's doing day one so that you get some inspiration. It just lets you know who is definitely going to be doing that. I will be doing videos here on my YouTube channel every Tuesday. I am not going to be doing daily videos like I did with Fairy Wings and Forgotten Things. I need to slow down a little bit in October and get some things caught up, so I chose to just do a weekly format. But Stacy is going to be posting daily on her YouTube channel along with Nicole, Lori, and Leanne. Leanne, I think, will be on Instagram. Lori, I think, will be on Facebook. I think Nicole is also on Facebook, and Stacy will be YouTube. So, if you have questions, drop them in the comments. Happy to try to help you out there. And be sure to come over to my Facebook group and Stacy's Facebook group so you don't miss out on all the October Oddities fun. So until I see y'all again here in the attic, y'all take care.